Guess what? Push the boundaries with the dyno model DC420RI. It's your next step into the world of high-performance drilling. The maneuverable all-terrain drilling machine is designed to work in the most demanding environments, providing accurate drilling of holes from 2 to 3 inches in diameter. It's been designed for maximum stability and mobility, so it guarantees outstanding performance and helps you exceed expectations. Its reliability and power make this unit an indispensable tool for those looking to lead the industry. Meet the Gecko SPX 650 mini crane, which is rewriting the rules in the construction industry. This compact giant can lift up to 6.5 tons and reach a lifting height of up to 77 feet. It's perfect for working in confined spaces where large cranes are powerless. Whether you need to install windows at height or mount heavy structures in narrow places, it handles the task with unparalleled ease and precision. Believe it. If you thought trucks couldn't be revolutionary, the Rex BIS is here to change your mind. This freight monster from BIS doesn't just transport materials, it does so with incredible efficiency and stability over any distance and terrain. Forget about reloads and multiple trips. Rex is ready to carry everything all at once, reducing operating costs and increasing productivity at any enterprise. I'd say we've not just a truck, but a true logistics hero. Meet the Pezzolato All-Road, a true beast for every road task. This versatile wood chopper and wood chipper can handle any vegetation and turn it into neat firewood or wood chips. Equipped with a powerful 300 horsepower engine that allows you to work non-stop. Its hydraulic system makes it easy to operate, and its maximum hopper capacity reaches 706 cubic feet. You can transport this machine on any road without worrying about its off-road capability. The Force 325 mini tractor has a cool sidekick, the power tiller, which work together to create a highly productive and reliable piece of equipment for quality tillage. The power tiller is designed to ensure precise and deep cultivation of the soil, improving its structure and promoting better plant growth. With a powerful engine and robust construction, the unit can easily handle tough working conditions, demonstrating exceptional durability and reliability. With its compact size and maneuverability, the mini tractor is ideal for use in confined spaces and small plots, giving workers maximum control and ease of operation. In a world where wind is becoming the key to clean energy, Dole is doing its part by introducing trailers capable of transporting giant wind blades of up to 328 feet long and weighing up to 35 tons. It's not just transportation. It's an engineering marvel created from decades of experience and innovation. Thanks to a unique design, where torques are a thing of the past, every ride remains safe, even as the blades furrow the skies with their high center of gravity. Loading? A matter of minutes. Maneuverability exceeds expectations, with a hydraulic steering and 85-degree turning circle in both directions, allowing these trailers to dance on the roads, easily avoiding any obstacle. Dole makes wind power closer and its transportation easier and more efficient. What tool can radically improve the installation of fences and other structures? Introducing the PDX 1000, the pinnacle of development in the line of demolition hammers for mini loaders and excavators. This demolition hammer is set to a new height in the industry with its performance, reliability, and operator comfort. Capable of handling 9-inch poles and adapting to any soil condition, the PDX 1000 is ideal for the toughest jobs. And now, the screens show you what this unrivaled tool can do in real-world applications. Hydrema Rail Solutions? More like Hydrema Rail Revolution. These machines will change your perception of railway work. Designed to overcome the most complex tasks, Hydrema units boast improved stability, high power, and versatility in use on various types of tracks. They can be used for everything, from track maintenance to new section construction. And don't be surprised at how quickly and efficiently all goals can be achieved. Hydrema makes railway work easier, faster, and safer, proving that true innovation moves on rails. Tired of wood waste taking up too much space? Rent a Tiger Cat 6900 grinder and let it put on a show. With an 800 horsepower engine, this shredder turns any wood obstacles into fine wood chips. Watch as it deftly and quickly processes the material like a professional magician making a rabbit disappear. How long will it take for you to clear your lot? Let's set a record. The Crawler Bulldozer Case 1650L is a powerful and versatile piece of heavy equipment designed for earth moving and construction tasks. It features a durable undercarriage and a powerful engine, making it ideal for demanding jobs in tough environments. The operator's cab is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room to move and a range of features designed to make work easier and more efficient. Priva, a company from the Netherlands, has launched the Compano robot, which cuts tomato leaves in greenhouses. This robot can move freely around the greenhouse while considering the staff working at the same time. It has enough charge for 24 hours of constant work and is equipped with a 5-kilowatt battery. The developer's main goal is to address the shortage of skilled labor for processing and caring for greenhouse vegetables. The Compano weighs nearly 936 pounds, is 75 inches long, 35 inches wide, and 70 inches high. Its patented arm and intelligent algorithms guarantee 85% efficiency within a week on a single acre. The robotic trimmer is easily controlled by a smart device and is customizable according to user preferences and needs. Immerse yourself in history with Tree Crusher Highlights, a unique series of shots from old 16mm film. These images bring back to life an ancient mechanical wonder machine, the Tree Crusher, designed and built by the great engineer R.G. Letourneau in the 1950s. More than just a nostalgic look back in time, these images demonstrate the power and innovation of the early days of forestry mechanization. The harvesters designed and manufactured by Ortomec are the result of years of experience, in-depth knowledge of the industry, and customer needs. The Ortomec harvesting tool is suitable for many vegetables, from arugula to spinach, from cabbage to iceberg lettuce, including aromatic herbs such as basil and mint. The machine you see guarantees precision, high performance, and delicate harvesting of all leafy vegetables. Thanks to its efficiency, it can reduce labor, improve working conditions, and raise the hygienic and quality characteristics of the product to a new level. Perhaps one of the most impressive innovations of the R300 is the revolutionary paver head, including exclusive captive screws. This means that you can now pick up even the most delicate grass bales, as well as penetrate very hard clay and stony soils. The center stand provides additional bale stability by incorporating screws that rotate in opposite directions, so the paver can hold bales that would normally fall out of any other machine. At the same time, they hold the bale in such a way that they also provide greater horizontal holding force and can put pressure on the pallet, squeezing the layers together for greater stability. Isocon has developed functional and powerful machinery for all phases of milled peat extraction, including cutters, harrows, harrowers, perching machines, loaders, and trailers. These machines are durable and efficiently produce high-quality peat, day in and day out. Let's return to 4-rotor rakes again, but this time from a different company, Kubota. This model is truly an excellent solution for the process of perfect raking, even in challenging conditions. Moreover, the manufacturer ensured that it is equipped with a unique combination of a flexible rotor support arm and a 3-dimensional suspension, providing unmatched terrain following and clean raking. How to improve the application of liquid manure to your fields? Amazon introduces the Catros Plus 7003-2 Pro, a self-propelled machine with a 3-point working width of 23 feet, as well as the trailed Catros Plus compact disc harrows with working width from 16.4 to 19.7 feet, and the Catros Plus 03-2TX Pro, which covers 23 to 29.5 feet. As you can see, these machines are part of a special Pro package designed to handle liquid manure, which not only provides increased protection for compact disc harrows, but also helps to increase their functional and operational safety, as well as extend their service life. Keeping vehicles clean, especially in the construction industry and industrial facilities, can be a daunting task. But what if there was a system that could automate this process, making it not only more efficient, but also more environmentally friendly? Meet the new wash system designed for trucks operating in the most demanding environments. It automatically cleans wheels and bodywork, saving water thanks to its closed-loop system. With directionally adjustable nozzles that can withstand high pressure, the system ensures that your vehicle will look spotless, even after working in the dirtiest conditions. Flory is proud to introduce and improve soil health. Using the Power Track not only keeps the air cleaner by eliminating the need to burn clippings, but also simplifies waste management on your property. An alternative silent solution for vibration-free baling can be the use of a telescopic driving unit equipped with an RTG MPZ 770 hydraulic press. This technique has a 360-degree tracked base to which the telescopic mast is attached. The installation of a hydraulic press with a downward force of up to 80 tons allows the steel sheet pile to be pressed into the ground without vibration. The sheet piles are installed in panels of 4 at a time. The downward pushing force requires an equal and opposite reaction force. Most of this reaction force is created by the combined weight of the rig, downward hydraulic force, and the friction of the panel against the previously installed sheet piles. As the pile panel penetrates, surface friction between the reaction piles and the soil becomes a key factor in developing an adequate overall reaction. Meet the Triton 560, your new best friend in pipe work. This machine handles pipes from 12 to 22 inches like a pro. Equipped with a self-contained turbo diesel engine and durable rubber tracks, it will arrive right to the action effortlessly. But the most impressive part, its 6-stage boom with 30 degrees rotation and 65 inches of vertical travel. And don't forget the 360-degree rotating carriage. Imagine how it loads pipes onto the cart without requiring any extra lifting. And all under the control of a single operator with a wireless remote. The Sigma B411 is a compact, powerful, and versatile self-propelled harvester. It's characterized by the same quality standards and high efficiency that distinguish Sigma brand products. It's the ideal solution for mechanized harvesting of olive, almond, pistachio trees, or hanging fruit with medium trunk size, even at wheel drive with rear steerable axle combined with a small size gives the machine maneuverability in tight spaces, while the telescopic boom and hydraulic adjustment make it easy to tighten the trunk and main branches. Versatile's Delta Track continues to be the class leader in the marketplace. The 530, 580, and 620 models never lack for power and combine the expertise of Versatile's engineers and several key industry partners. When was the last time your grain production got a real boost? The Farmit Falcon 6 Pro represents a technological breakthrough that will take your farming to the next level. This versatile combine can do everything from sowing cereals and oil seeds to precise fertilizer application, all with minimal impact on the soil. With the Falcon 6 Pro, not only will you get increased productivity thanks to its powerful system and GPS technology, but you'll also preserve the health of your soil for future harvests. Plus, its ease of maintenance will make seeding up to 12 miles per hour and fertilizing easier than ever. It's not just a machine, it's your investment in a sustainable and profitable future. Meet the Lore UIC Wagon, an engineering marvel capable of delivering semi-trailers a sky-high 157.48 inches across Europe without a single infrastructure change. How is this possible? The wagon runs without engines or hydraulics, as if by magic, using earthly equipment to rotate and maneuver. It's like an autonomous drone, but for heavy cargo. Can you imagine how this simplifies logistics? Modern machines for sugarcane harvesting have revolutionized the sugar industry by increasing efficiency and reducing manual labor. These machines are designed to effectively cut, strip, and clean sugarcane in a fast and cost-effective manner. The most advanced sugarcane harvesters use a process called whole stalk harvesting, which involves cutting and shredding the entire plant, rather than just the tops. This process increases yield, reduces waste, and minimizes the amount of manual labor required for harvesting. The John Deere 8RX track tractors provide maximum ground traction, incredibly smooth steering, even on short track tractor segment. The KE1800 multi-seeds is one of the most versatile solutions from the Modi manufacturer. The compact machine is designed for harvesting pumpkins, cucumbers, zucchini, melons, etc. The removable guard plate allows adaptation to seeds of different sizes and is easy to clean. Subsequent seed cleaning is carried out by the silent and highly efficient ARS 2.0 system, ideal for customers with small fields and seed producers. In this video, all the advantages of the self-propelled spraying machine series Horst Lieb 6.300 to 7.300 PT are presented in person. This equipment has a powerful 310 horsepower FPT engine equipped with 3 variable flow pumps, one of which drives the oversized motor wheels, whose power has been increased by 30% compared to previous models. And most importantly, you get reliable and precise application thanks to the proven Horst boom. And what's more, the machine has an automatic nozzle change system that ensures quality spraying regardless of travel speed. With the Sleepslangen from HKA, caring for the land becomes easier and more efficient. This slurry spreader with 3 hose systems ensures an even distribution of fertilizer over the fields. The result? The soil gets the nutrients it needs for healthy plant growth, improves its structure and moisture retention capacity. This not only contributes to higher yields, but also maintains the ecological balance, making agriculture more sustainable. Sleepslangen turns ordinary agro-practice into care for the future of the field and the planet. Okada TS type chopping shears owe their outstanding service life to their unique cast iron construction. This product is designed to make your work faster, increase efficiency, and provide reliable and accurate results. This attachment is quite compatible with various types of construction equipment and is made of quality materials that meet the highest technical standards. Both cheeks and body are made of special alloy steel cast without welding, so they're more resistant to bending, stretching, and abrasion. Kuhn has introduced its largest mower, and its significant advantage lies in its ability to mow large areas while significantly. What does this provide? Well, it simply allows the farmer to fully utilize the potential of the mower. Coweco is a Dutch manufacturer that specializes in manufacturing agricultural machinery, including slurry tankers. The company's slurry tankers are equipped with a variety of features, including advanced suspension systems, electronic controls, and powerful pumps that make them easy to operate and maintain. They come in a range of sizes to suit different farm sizes and requirements, from small to large-scale farming operations. Oh, exactly. Watching high-tech machines work in production is always an exciting sight, especially when it comes to creating objects from wood, such as kitchen tables. Imagine, a specialized woodworking machine carefully and precisely makes a cut in a massive walnut timber. Every movement of the machine is designed to maximize material utilization and minimize waste. The Loopmaster Knotter is a newly patented innovation specifically designed for use with the New Holland Big Baler high-density series of balers. These models have been engineered with several technical advancements that result in a 22% increase that eliminates twine waste and prevents it from getting into the bales. This is what the perfect Richard Western Safe Lock strapping system looks like, specifically designed for bale trailers. This innovative system radically changes the way bales are secured, providing increased safety and efficiency. With its easy-to-use design, this strapping system keeps bales securely locked during transportation, preventing accidental shifting or damage. But that's not all. The manufacturer has also added an interesting feature, the ability to use top straps. Now you can secure your bales from the top as well, thus providing an extra level of stability and peace of mind. Don't miss out on this revolutionary solution for your bale trailer.